Hi guys, how you doing? So today we're taking a look at the Elgato HD60 S Plus. Now I've got it for a couple of reasons. Firstly, the boys are about to turn 6 and 8. They love YouTube, love gaming videos, and they want to make their own. So with the Xbox and the Wii U that they've got, this is going to be a fantastic device for them. Secondly, when I'm recording BIOS for motherboards, it's not great at the moment because I'm having to use the camera shooting at the screen or take screenshots. It's not brilliant, and this is going to be a way forward for me, just to take that to the next level really. So what we're going to do in today's video is we're going to see what you get in the box. We're going to set it up. We're going to have a look at some example gameplay footage. We're going to look at bitrate as well, see if that makes a difference. Obviously the bigger the files, it should be the better the quality. We'll see. And that's really about it. So without further ado, let's crack on.
Any pigs?
Rocket, think you could take a break from crashing my ship and open this hatch for us, please?
What? It's not already open? Must be jammed or something.
Great.
Contact.
Guess we try melting it.
So can you tell the difference? Let's try again. I'm confused. Okay, last try. Guys, so did you see any difference? Yeah, me either. Literally, it was the same, wasn't it? Now, if you zoom in, I'm going to show you some examples, then yeah, there is a slight difference, but you know, if you're kind of just doing 1080p, there is absolutely no real perceivable difference. So stick it on a low bit rate, maybe 20, 25 or something like that, and it's going to be perfect for whatever you're going to use it for. Yeah, save your hard drive. Guys, so I've been using it about a week now. I'm really happy with it. You know, for what I want, 1080p, 60 FPS, it kind of ticks all the boxes. Now, there are a couple of fiddly little things about it in terms of it has 3 wires coming off it. It's not the neatest of devices. You know, I like to move things around, so it's kind of not ideal for that, but you know, it's a compromise. Also the price, you know, I think it retails for about £180. That's a bit much really. However, I got it on a promotion for 120-ish from Amazon, 5 payments as well. So if I really didn't like it, I could send it back. I'm not sending it back. It's really good. So yeah, so if you think you want to buy it, go for it. You know, you can get the non-plus version that has a kind of few options less, but overall I think it's a solid device and well worth the investment. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, if you want some more gaming footage, here it is.
I do not see any pigs.
Rocket, think you could take a break from crashing my ship and open this hatch for us, please?
What? It's not already open? Must be jammed or something.